Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about how a cash deposit machine, also known as a CDM, works and how it helps customers deposit cash quickly, securely, and conveniently into their bank accounts. To begin with, a customer approaches the cash deposit machine and activates the deposit process by touching the screen or following the instructions displayed. This allows the machine to start the transaction and prepare for the deposit. Next, the customer either inserts an ATM or debit card into the machine or enters the account information if the bank provides a cardless deposit facility. As a result, the machine identifies the account that will receive the deposited funds. After that, the customer selects the cash deposit option from the list of available banking services. This tells the machine that the user intends to deposit money rather than perform another transaction, such as cash withdrawal or balance inquiry. Then, the customer chooses the account where the funds will be deposited. Depending on the bank, this may be a savings account, current account, or another eligible account linked to the customer. Once the account is selected, the customer places the cash notes into the deposit slot. At this stage, it is important that the notes are clean, flat, and unfolded so that the machine can process them accurately. Subsequently, the cash deposit machine automatically scans, counts, and verifies each note. During this process, the machine checks for damaged, invalid, or suspicious notes while calculating the total amount deposited. Thereafter, the machine displays the counted amount on the screen for verification. The customer reviews the amount carefully and confirms the transaction if everything is correct. Following confirmation, the machine processes the deposit request and securely sends the transaction details to the bank's central system. Consequently, the deposited amount is credited to the selected account either instantly or within a short processing period. In addition, the machine generates a receipt containing important details such as the deposited amount, date, and transaction reference number. Therefore, customers should keep the receipt as proof of the transaction for future reference. Meanwhile, inside the machine, several advanced technologies work together. The system scans the notes, detects damaged or counterfeit currency, counts the total cash accurately, and communicates the deposit information directly to the bank's database to ensure security and accuracy. Finally, when using a cash deposit machine, it is always a good practice to count your cash before depositing. Use clean and unfolded notes. Verify the displayed amount carefully and keep the receipt safely after the transaction is completed. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.